Hi YouTube and welcome to my channel. It's Dirty Dems, aka the best looking ugly kid, aka Demograffix, and today I'm painting a bulldog called Queenie, and she's going to be wearing a crown, or whatever you call it. She'll be wearing a little crown on top of her head. So I'm in somebody's garden today locally painting a bulldog. I've also got to do a London skyscraper scene, so London buildings in the background. So I'll be working on the wall behind me. I've used a doodle grid and I've sketched up the outline, and I'm now filling in the colours. So that's me done for today. You can see the dog, she's looking good. I've got the background sketched in. So I've got a London skyline going on tomorrow. I'm going to use a lot of grey tones. I'm going to blend the sky, so it's going to be a grey sky blending into the flag, and yeah, there's a red cross going in there. So yeah, we'll get this finished tomorrow. Morning, so it's day 2 back at the bulldog wall, and I've mulched out, painted out the background with a smooth grey, and now I'm going to work on the George's Cross flag, blend that into the grey sky, and then work my way through the detail in the buildings.
See
Right, so I've got the buildings in. It's all looking pretty smart. It reminds me a bit of a Banksy style. I've got some drips, so it's very street art, London. Got the drips going on. So now all that's left is the crown on Queenie. Sorry, her name is not Princess, it is Queenie, and she's going to have a crown. So I'm going to do that floating, like a floating crown, and I'm going to use some masking tape just underneath to catch any drips. So that's it, guys, all done. There's a slight chance of rain today. It's just slightly raining a little bit, like misty rain. But yeah, we've got it all completed. We've got the crown on, all completed before the rain. So guys, please don't forget to like the video, smash that like button. I want to get at least 1,000 likes. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Peace.